A single double G logo can instantly command respect almost anywhere in the world. From Hollywood celebrities and royalty to entrepreneurs and fashion icons, Gucci has become one of the most recognizable luxury brands in history. But behind its glamour lies a story of ambition, betrayal, near collapse, and one secret decision that transformed a family business into a global empire. The world saw luxury. Very few saw the price paid to build it. The story began in the early 1920s when Guccio Gucci, an Italian leather craftsman, returned to Florence after working at luxury hotels in London. Watching wealthy travelers arrive with elegant luggage inspired him to create something extraordinary. In 1921, he opened a small leather goods shop dedicated to exceptional craftsmanship. Every handbag, suitcase, and accessory reflected timeless Italian quality. As demand grew across Europe, Gucci became a symbol of prestige, attracting aristocrats, celebrities, and influential families. But success also brought fierce competition and growing pressure. After Guccio Gucci's death, the family inherited not only a luxury brand, but also growing internal conflict. For years, power struggles threatened to destroy everything the founder had built. Then came the turning point. The company made the bold decision to move beyond being just a family-controlled business and embrace professional leadership with a global vision. That decision changed Gucci forever. Creative innovation, international expansion, and bold marketing replaced family rivalries. New collections captured younger audiences while preserving the exclusivity that defined the brand. It was the decision few expected, but the one that saved the empire. During the following decades, Gucci reinvented itself again and again. Its iconic handbags, leather goods, fashion collections, fragrances, and accessories became symbols of wealth, influence, and status across the United States, Europe, and beyond. Hollywood stars, musicians, athletes, and world leaders helped transform Gucci into a cultural phenomenon. Today, the brand generates billions in annual revenue and stands among the world's most valuable luxury fashion houses. Its influence extends far beyond clothing. It shapes global culture, fashion, and luxury itself. Gucci's story proves that luxury alone does not build an empire. Vision does. The company's greatest turning point was not a handbag, a logo, or a runway show. It was the courage to make difficult decisions when everything seemed at risk. Behind every iconic product stood years of innovation, resilience, and leadership. Today, the Double G represents far more than fashion. It represents power, influence, and one of the greatest business transformations in luxury history. Because behind every empire, there is a secret decision nobody talks about.